called for him. Hopefully he'll come down the hill pretty quick. Headed in the house to handle the ice. That startled me. It missed my legs. Can you go to your spot? I know I called Morris and that makes you want to make sure you're not missing out on anything, but... Well, this is the third morning in a row Morris has been MIA and worried me, and I've had to wait for him to show up for breakfast. That does not make me happy. But I've got all the water all nice and clean now. Wish those other varmints would stop making it so dirty at night. Tux is finally eating. Hey, bud. Hi. Here, eat your chicken. Come here. There you go. Hi, Panther. Well, it's a relief that you're right where you're supposed to be. Yeah, I would not like it at all if my front porch buddy wasn't in his spot. It's a good boy. How are you? Yeah, let me check your heating pads and make sure they're on. There you go, bud. It's the last of the chicken, so it's just a little light this morning. Sorry. Wow, looking out there is like, you know, all the leaves are just gone. They're mostly gone up there too, but there's a couple of trees still got them. They're mostly down though. Good morning. Hi, stretchy girl. You hungry? Oh, empty bowl replaced with full bowl. And you got all of the good chicken. Yeah, you got first dibs on the left, what was left of the chicken today. Good girl. Well, there's Morris. I'm sad that I didn't get to pat him on the head this morning, but he's home at least, so that's good. He did come over to me for pets, so that's good. We got down to 29 last night, 27, something. It was a little cooler than I thought it was going to be. It is a pretty morning, and it's not blowing up here, so it's not bad for a walk. When I get around to the scoreboard here on my left, that'll be a half mile again, which is all I'm gonna do. I'm trying not to overdo it, but it's cooler now, and I really, really want to feel good and be healthy, and I feel like some running, but not like feeling compelled to run every day. You know, is good. A hit, you know, get my heart rate up higher than just walking. It's hard though, let me tell you, it's hard. I'd rather be sitting on the couch nice and warm with an Entenmann's raspberry cheesecake piece of Danish and another cup of coffee with my feet up, one of the cats beside me, and on, you know, I'd rather be doing that, honest I would. It's off to meet Michelle I go. Remember how after the last release I said that the turn signals and things were quieter in Ruby and I didn't have Joe mode on? Well, you know how when you get out of your car and you're listening to something through the, you know, speakers, it gets lower when you open the door, kind of to, I guess, be courteous to those around you so you don't blast them. Kind of annoys me when I stop to get the mail because I'm still trying to listen to my book and it's not that loud. But anyway, I was still listening to my book. I opened the door and it got louder. It's like the sounds are in reverse of what they're supposed to be. Can't say for sure. Look at you, you do. This is my fault. I saw it on Amazon and told her about it. Oh my God, it's so cute. It's just totally you. It's great. It's excellent. It's awesome. Yay, there's tons of Christmas stuff to look at. Tons of stuff. A D. Morgan print. Nothing happens without a dream. This is kind of a cute saying too. Nest, noun, a snug, comfy, or cozy residence or situation. A retreat or place of habitual resort. Oh, I really like that too. That's great. If I didn't love the owl over my bed, I might replace it. And this looks like photo alphabet, but just the alphabet, not a word. I've done that. I've done that challenge before, and it's really cool trying to look for letters and shapes and take pictures and then make words or names or whatever out of it. Oh, I think I need this door. That looks like a great door for a tree. Yeah, I don't know how great it'll last outside, but we'll try it. What had caught my attention was welcome. Hang the holly, light the hearth, make merry days with open heart. For Christmas comes just once a year and gathers loved ones far and near. Annie Danielson. Well, the wreath's a little messed up, and the, yeah, I don't think it'll hold up outside. This is adorable, but I don't have any white kitties, but it's still super adorable. This is an idea, Donnie, for a ladder for the gnome home or someplace else in the yard. It's just dowel rods with holes and then knots with twine or some sort of string. Are you trying to make me sad?
No, just sad thought across my mind.
She said it's for all the angel kitties in heaven. And all of the beautiful kitties here with us still. At first I thought it was Yoda, but it's a kitty cat. But it says bah humbug, and I'm never in that kind of a mood at Christmas. It's not a bib, silly girl. It's for your toilet. And it has a matching Santa head toilet cover too. Very cute. Christmas trees. You can always get really cool Christmas fun ties here. Michelle has found a gnome blanket. It's kind of springtime gnome. It makes us long for April showers. There may be a Yoda in a Grogu, a baby Grogu. Aww. Johnny would have loved this. Stingrays at the aquarium were his favorite. Michelle has a thing for porgs. If you know, you know. Star Wars. Star Wars. Yeah, there's a Chewbacca too.
Got goggles on.
What is it said? Lady Gaga is my spirit animal. Now I like Lady Gaga, but that's a weird mug.
Yeah, what would we call somebody's spirit?
No, I don't think so.
I've
got the rocker.
I feel like Morticia and it had bigger. They've
marked it down $10 from last week, but this is the same as the one that I got for $25, and it's still $35.
Comfy.
It's pretty comfy, all things considered. It is. They want $79 for this one though, but it's been on somebody's porch, not out in the weather, so.
Gonna leave it here.
Kitties don't need a rocker.
You're not old enough to have a rocker just yet, okay?
Thank you, Michelle.
You're welcome. Anything from my bestie.
Wow, that place settings Courier and Ives, how pretty. Wow, it's Vera Bradley knot, and somebody had already matched the shirt with the vest. It's I like the pattern, but it's too much pattern. Well, even if it did, look at the lace on the back. We like lace. That's pretty. Bye, girl. Bye. I enjoyed it. Bye. Yep. And there may have been more Lego. 100% Lego. All Lego. Really good stuff, Lego. I took the buggy back and I looked in Little Angel. I found something small for Michelle. Hopefully when it rolls around to the right time to give it to her, I can find it. Well, it was very festive in there today, and they were aware about the ugly Facebook post and trying to do everything they could to get past it, which is the right answer. They're very busy today. Business is good despite ugly people's attempt to sabotage business. I'm going home the back way because note there's Garibaldi there on the right. Going home the back way because it's the town Christmas tree lighting tonight, and after 2 p.m., which it's 2:12, they have closed off Main Street to get ready for the festivities. So I could have turned several places and detoured around it if I'd gone the other way, but I figured I'd just come home this way. And apparently Garibaldi's now owns the drugstore and the little McDonald's out parcel that used to be there next to Guardian Angel, and they've started doing predatory towing of anyone that parks over there. And a lot of Guardian Angel shoppers are used to previously having parked in that location because it's close to the front door. Better not do that anymore. Garibaldi's is an Italian restaurant, and their parking is cramped, and I get why they need more parking for patrons, but the couple of people that are parked over there during the day are not hurting their nighttime parking business. And I don't know, I'd like Fuquay to stay a nice little small town, and we don't do predatory towing here. I don't want to be big city enough to need to be doing stuff like that, or dealing with greedy people that just want to tow for making money off of other people's hardship. So okay, it's showtime. Oh my God, how exciting is that? Yes! Wow. Nighttime's really interested about the music. See, she's really super impressed with the Cybertruck. Way to go, Nighttime. Way to go, sweetie. I think it's the vibration from the subwoofer, but you know, hey. You know, hugging Elon as I get into my new Cybertruck, and then Franz driving me away in it. That works for me. That works for me. It's only 4:15. I'm gonna go ahead and work on the Alpine Lodge for a little bit. You gonna help? Hopefully lay off to the side just a bit. Well, I made good progress, but I got really hung up trying to find the bricks. It's just basically a slight disaster, although I spent a good time sorting today. Not perfectly sorting by any stretch, but a lot better sorting. So that was some helpful, mostly just building on it, and there'll be less parts as I go. It's going to be really helpful. It's 6:30 and I'm probably done for the night. Got to figure out where it's safe to put my bricks, though, away from interested kitties. So I'm ready to take delivery tomorrow.
Of course you do.
I have a lot of questions. Yep. I didn't answer very many questions. Nope. But I'm ready to take delivery tomorrow. And I told Don we have to get the dual motor because I'm not driving any Tesla that the 0 to 60 is less than 5 seconds. It is more than 5 seconds.
That's right. Can't have pokey Teslas.
No pokey Teslas at this house. And I guess Don just saw they're not going to be out till 2025 anyway. But
the $60,000 one.
Yeah, the one motor, the low end one, the 6 point something seconds, I guess, or whatever. But I guess I'll let you tell them what you're thinking. Sometimes I'm not sure I want to let Don talk.
I don't know.
It's not really true.
I guess I didn't learn. I mean, I appreciate it with, the seeing it and stuff. But, I'm going to have to wait till somebody reviews it. How do you open the doors? All those gory little details.
What other details? Because you listed several to me. You said 5 or 6 seat, or how many people sit in the back or something.
Show me the back seat. How is it comfortable as that? Is it a 4-seater, a 5-seater? Does it six seats? Somebody said the window doesn't go down in the back.
There's no pass through whatsoever.
There's no pass through whatsoever, right? And what's the rating? The little demo video showed a 1450 plugging into it, but is it really 50 amps? All those kind of questions. I want to see the details. Is that standard with it, or is that optional? Because somebody found out there's a range extender you can add on it that gets it up like well over 400 miles. So I don't know if all those things. The light bar is optional, I understand. So I just need more details. I mean, I am super stoked they're finally shipping it. And I can't wait until I get to see one, ride in one, drive one, or something like that. So, but yeah, I'm not ready right now to plunk down the money. Marianne is, but I'm not myself, but we'll see.
I promised myself after the Model 3 that I wouldn't pester Don. That kind of went out the window when I saw the Cybertruck today. He's sunk.
Right. Well, I always said I probably would get a Cybertruck. I started off 50 or 60-40 wouldn't, and then I went 50-50. Then I got like 80-20, and then I'm like 90-10. And I would say I'm still at 90-10, so 90% likely of getting it. I mean, I would be surprised that we don't get a Cybertruck. It's just that I'm not running out buying the first one.
Right.
I mean, I know Marianne wants to do it and stuff like that, but I just gonna let somebody else have all those, and I'm gonna get the one after they get customer feedback and they find out that pass-through window is like really important and stuff like that.